Alright, you saw we just passed the Dio's Gap Motorcycle Store and Resort. We did not stop because the weather said it was going to rain at 1 o'clock. It's 1:30 right now. And it is dark. I'm pretty sure the video doesn't show how bad the skies look right now, but I am going to call this a video at the bottom of the hill by the Fugitive Dam. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope I don't get wet this weekend. I got really wet 2 weeks ago, and I don't want to duplicate that because I got really wet. It wasn't supposed to rain till noon, and it started raining at about 10 a.m. But we're almost at Fugitive Dam right now. For those of you that don't know, if you've ever watched the movie The Fugitive, yes, that's the name of the movie, The Fugitive. This is the dam that they jumped off of. So here's the top of it, right there, Fugitive Dam. And then if you go down here, down around this little corky strew looking thing, whoop, 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 whee, yay! Hi, motorcycle. So we come around this bend, we look up. That is the Fugitive Dam. That's it, folks. That is the Fugitive Dam. They should cut the trees down to give it a better view. Not much to look at, it's just a dam. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button.